Hello, this is Alex from Albus Studio. Recently, I was doing a project on a mining pool, and this was new for me. And one of the problems that I had is how to SSH from my computer to the server. This is not something extremely difficult, but it's a good skill to have. And that's why I've created this short video for you to show you how you can SSH from your computer to a remote server in seconds. With this being said, let's go to the terminal so that I show you one command that can change your work experience. Okay, so what is SSH? SSH is a terminal option that allows us to connect to our server and manage it from our terminal. This applies to Linux, Mac or Windows. Okay, so you can see that on Vultr hosting, I have deployed my server at the moment. Let's click on it. Okay, and over here we have our IP, our username and our password. Well, to SSH to our server, we will need to go to command prompt. Here is our command line. You will need to type SSH, then root, which is our user, at our IP address. I will right click the mouse to paste it, enter. Okay, you can see that now we are asked by the server if we have a password for it, and we will type yes, enter. Okay, now it's asking us for the password. You can see that we have our password for the server over here. Copy. Okay. Right click your mouse if you are using Windows. If you are using Mac, then you will need to press Command V. Okay, paste, enter. Okay, so we have successfully logged in. Let's see if it will respond to our command app get update. Enter. Okay, so we can see that our server responds to us and we can control it from our terminal. And this is how you SSH from your Windows, Mac or Linux to your remote server. Well, that was simple as pie. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This was Alex from Albus Studio. Hope to see you soon in my upcoming videos. Take care.